taking a video.
Have you ever seen the cartoon Wild Kratts?
No.
You haven't? It comes on every weekend morning about 7:30. You need to watch it.
What's it called?
Wild Kratts. It's the two Kratt brothers, and they talk about animals, and they start out with them being human, and then they turn into cartoon characters, and then they try to figure out how the animals do what they do and the powers that the animals have. It's really good and really educational.
I'll have to check it out.
I watch it every morning. I love it.
Where you going?
And they've got a lot of them guys on it too.
Really?
Yeah, they've got one episode called Birds of Prey, and this one character on the show tries to get all of the birds of prey. Then the Wild Kratts have to go save the birds. It's really good.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's really good show. It comes on its own Channel 4. So, you got DVR, just do like me, I DVR it.
Oh, no way.
Is the big one up there? Yeah.
What kind of bird is this? Mississippi kite.
Yeah.
Similar to a falcon.
Yeah.
I can't see him.
So now you can see how it works. I know it starts with really? You gotta find a pet type or you don't want to touch it.
So wild. That's what he says.
She's trying. He's closing one eye. He's trying to sleep with one eye open.
Keep an eye on us. Right? That's not. Why don't we go up with that? Then we go to the Sharp. Come on. Just make sure that any files you're going to transfer, you're going to scan on first.
Oh, he's camouflaged. No.
Trying to keep cool.
I want to see him up close. He was like, I want a hug. Somebody give me a hug.
Got a close-up of him.
Huh?
I've got a close-up of him. Gotta hold my hand still or it'll be too shaky. I like the girl I was talking to. She was sweet. About 7:30, 6:30 in the morning.
There's one right there too.
Oh my goodness.
I want to touch him.
Yeah. They got personality. Yeah, they do. Eastern Street Owl. He is so cool.
Is it an owl?
What?
Then we will
I think, yeah, that's
That's me. Buddy, that's me. Do not touch me. I'm alive and I'll bite.
Yeah, he probably would. Yeah, finger. Hey, he's got the same color hair as you. Car. He's got the same color hair as you. Red.
Yeah, here, we'll stand here and look at this. Look, there's the little tiny owl.
Yeah.
Ew, owl.
His name is Screech.
Yeah. That's the Street Owl. Eastern Street Owl.
I want an owl.
Yeah.